Oh, I feel like an elementary school art teacher right now. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. I can't breathe. There's something happening all up in here, but it doesn't matter because it's the coolest day that we've had in so many miserably hot days, and I have a fall box to open. I'm wearing a cardigan that's orange. My shirt is black velvet. It's time to open something fall related. Am I slightly loopy from the Dayquil and my inability to breathe? Probably, but let's do it anyway. Also, I am just now realizing for the first time that this box says Decocrated and not decorated. From me seeing the advertisements on Instagram and Facebook and anywhere else that can be advertised to you, which is literally everywhere, to me Googling it, to me ordering it, getting it into my possession, I thought it said decorated, but no, there's a pun and I missed it. It's Decocrated. Clever. This is a home decor box that is delivered to your door. Inside of here there are 8 home decor items. This box is $80 though. That's a little expensive if you do ask me. If you've been around this channel for any time, you probably know that Home Goods is like where the heart is. I love Home Goods. I shop there way too often. I only have one credit card. I've never had another credit card besides, nope, I take that back. My parents signed me up for a Delta Skylines miles credit card when I was like 14 years old. Still not sure how they did that. They did it while we were at the airport. I think it's because they were offering free neck pillows or a water bottle for anybody who signed up, and we still have those water bottles. Anyway, I have a credit card specifically for Home Goods and TJ Maxx. That is how much I love those establishments. So for me, getting a box of stuff that I can't pick up myself for $80 might be a little bit risky just because I know that Home Goods has just a plethora of all sorts of decor items that I could place around my house and I could pick up myself. On top here, we have a very cute little envelope with a sticker on the back. I've been watching nothing but The Taskmaster on YouTube. It's like a British game show, and that's kind of what this reminds me of, one of the tasks. Is this a car decal? I don't really know why you would want like a car decal of a subscription box, but if you do, there is that. Then there's some extra little papers in here. Oh, there's bats on it.
It's freaking bats. I love Halloween.
This is cute. And then there is a little booklet here to tell us about all the things inside. This is a really nice booklet. So far, everything looks really well put together. Ooh, spiderwebs. Alrighty, the first thing I'm seeing here is very fall, very Halloween. We have little leaves and spiderwebs. I'm not sure what these are just yet. Oh, they're tea towels. How cute. I actually do really like these. The spiders are probably my least favorite thing on the planet, but I like the simplicity of this tea towel, like the black and the white. It'll go well in my kitchen. And this one's really cute too, with just some little leaves, but I really like the spider one. Sun, go away, you're messing up my lighting. I'm trying to figure out the logic behind this like hunk of cardboard that just says empty all over it. It looks like everything comes in its own little cardboard box, which is nice for packaging, not so fantastic for the environment, but I do recycle all my cardboard. Something golden. It's a moon. Oh no, that's the largest mirror I've ever held up in here. That means you can see more of my trash. There's also a lady back there. That's kind of creepy. Anyway, so there is a mirror in here and it has like a black crescent moon. I actually think this is kind of cool. It's a little bit different. Something I might not pick out for myself, but also something I might actually indeed pick out for myself. I feel like me holding this mirror with this outfit goes very well together. It feels pretty nice and sturdy, kind of on the heavy side. There is like a hanger back here to hang it. I think this is pretty cute. This is something that would retail like at a Home Goods for maybe like $19.99 or maybe even $24.99 maybe. I don't know, $22.99. I definitely think it's cute. It kind of goes with my style of stuff. So yeah, I'll definitely find a place to put this. I'm only counting 5 boxes left, so 7 in total. You are supposed to get 8 full-size things, but maybe like the towels counted as like 2 separate items? I don't know. I do actually really like how, oh guy's face. What the heck is this? This one has like a little thing on the bottom. Curious to see what this is. One thing I will say about this, at least I couldn't find it anywhere, is I didn't see any type of like customization options. This box definitely will not be for everybody because it's not going to match like each individual home interior. Okay, how do you get this out? Ice cream cone. What is this? Oh, it's a candle holder. this is kind of cute too. I do have a lot of wood in my house. I really don't honestly have that much gold, and I'm seeing a lot of gold in here already. If this were black, this is something I would definitely pick up like myself at the store. But I do like that this is like a solid hunk of wood. It has a little bit of felt on the bottom, which is fully coming off, but it's pretty cute. I like the shape of it. It's a little bit different. It'd be nice to set on like a mantle or a shelf or another place where you set things. Recommended to use with an LED candle. That is probably for the best. I can't tell you how many times I've like filmed and then shut off everything and left this room and shut the door with this guy still going behind me. It's a cute little flat box in here. Feels a little bit light. Beads. Beads. What do you do with this? Oh, I feel like an elementary school art teacher right now. Or this is what like they would attach the ends of their glasses to. It appears I totally forgot for a second that this is a purely home decor box, so I'm guessing this is just kind of like a little accent bead that you can hang around. So far the other stuff I could see like working into my style, but this is a pretty specific style, especially with such specific colors. I like these colors. I think they're real pretty colors. I just have like nothing in my house that really matches with this, and I also have no idea what to do with it. Quite intrigued by this longer box here, and again I do think it's really fun that everything comes in boxes because it's definitely a surprise, but something like this probably didn't need its own box. I really don't think it's gonna get that damaged in shipping. Oh, it's a tiny ladder. It's just an itty bitty ladder. That's so cute. This is kind of precious. I don't know if I actually have any type of purpose for this. If I had more than one necklace, like I think it'd be cute with necklaces or something hanging on it, but I don't own more than one necklace. This is super cute. It might be a touch farmhousey for my style. I don't know, but I think maybe I could use this somewhere at the store. I think we could definitely incorporate this somewhere into either the decor or some type of display piece. It is really cute. I love tiny things. Again, probably didn't need its own box. Next up here we have this guy. Oh, I was gonna kind of say like what I think these things would retail for at a Home Goods or something, because I'm there so often that I feel like I might know kind of what their pricing is like. So this little candle holder, I could definitely see this being somewhere around maybe the $9.99. The high end would be $12.99, the low end would be $7.99, but somewhere around that range. This little ladder at some place like TJ Maxx or Home Goods, I could see it being $7.99 up to $12.99, somewhere in that range, high end, low end. I did buy a ladder from Home Goods actually. I bought like a full ladder. It was actually really cool looking. It looked like somebody in the 1800s made it in their barn, but I brought it home and then I put some blankets on it, and I was like, I feel like I'm trying too hard. I feel like this isn't, I just can't pull off this aesthetic. This is too fancy. Blanket ladder was just too fancy for me, so I ended up taking it back. And I think that whole ladder cost $49. So this one's like 1/5 of the size of that ladder. So, oh, that was weird. That was real weird. I thought Ren was in here, and he is not in here. There were sounds being made like Ren was underneath this table, but he is not underneath this table, and now I'm a little freaked out. Alright, I think we might have a set here, because we have another box inside of another box, and we have another larger ice cream cone. So now we have a set of little candle holders here. I do like that they come in a set because I do tend to buy my candle holders, you know, in sets like this with one taller and one shorter. So yeah, again, I like the solid wood. I like wood stuff. I don't know, paint them black, which is my answer to everything. I'm like, I don't know if I like that. Let's paint them black. This one is also a little bit like bent up, but the metal doesn't seem too super sturdy, and it's not entirely flat. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, we have the final box within inside of our box. So many cardboard boxes. Oh, it's a cage. It's a ball. It's a pumpkin. Cute. This is actually pretty cute. It's just a little pumpkin, and it's really adorable. It's kind of like this really deep bluish green color. I like this color. It's nice. I like that it has a wooden little you know, the thing that's up here, the sprout, oh my goodness, the stem, the pumpkin stem. I like that it's made of metal. It's pretty simple. I don't really think I'm going to be decorating too intensely for fall. I'm definitely going to put out some Halloween stuff, but I just don't want to have like a ton of decorations for different seasons besides Christmas. Oh, it's all over my hands. It is getting absolutely all over my hands. I was wondering what that powdery stuff was. I was like, oh, my hands feel oddly dry. I do like this. I think it is cute. Maybe I'll put it in the background or something somewhere for fall time, but I definitely think this would probably be like a $13.99, maybe $12.99 item at least my Home Goods. I don't know if prices change between Home Goods, but I feel like the prices at mine are typically pretty good. I have noticed that some of their prices have gone up on things, like especially fake plants. I used to just get fake plants galore from Home Goods, and now they just seem to be a little bit more expensive. I'm gonna go through this really fast and see if they give any like retail value of these things. It'd be really interesting to know what they value them for. So the little wood dangly thing, they just kind of show it just doing exactly that, just like dangling off of something, just to be kind of a cute little, you know, accent for fall time. I am not seeing prices anywhere, and I do wish they had prices, because you just kind of have to like trust that what you're getting is worth, you know, your $80, which how much is this supposed to be worth in the first place? This is also a seasonal box. I'm sorry, I'm just really I'm a little bit out of it today. This is a seasonal box. That means you get it once every, almost said 4 years. 4 times each year. I just want to see how much it's worth. How much is it worth? I tried to find something on the value for Decocrated, but it doesn't really say anything. I guess maybe the value shifts every month, but I don't really know if it should do that. If you're paying $79.99 every month, so like 80 bucks every month, you probably should get a guaranteed value. One site that I found just said that Decocrated said that how much you pay for the box is well below retail value, but there's really nothing to actually back that up. However, I definitely think it's fun. Maybe if you're not really sure of like a personal style that you have, or you're trying to get some more items for a new home, an apartment, something like that, and you know, you don't really have any set style that you want to go with. Maybe you really like eclectic, collected kind of things, and this could be interesting. I personally have a pretty decent idea of like how I want things to look and what I want to go in certain areas. So if I have a shelf, I'll see like, oh, this space needs something tall and white, whereas this space over here needs something shorter and maybe with some more volume. So in my head, like, I work out things before I purchase them because I pretty much know or think I know that they're gonna work, whereas this, you're just paying for a box of things and just seeing what happens. So if you do have a very set particular style in your home, I don't know if this will work out very well just because everything is just random. You have literally no idea what you're gonna get. However, I do think it's fun. I think this is a good time. I think maybe it'd be like a fun gift to give to somebody, like maybe someone is moving into a new apartment. This would be a pretty cool like one-time subscription thing to give them. You get the surprise element, you also get like 8 gifts for 80 bucks, so I think this could be kind of fun for something like that. Will I keep it? I probably will for a little bit because I'm sure I'm gonna forget to cancel. But you know, maybe for like a little bit it could be kind of fun. I still am trying to decorate my house. I still need some more little things to set around and stuff, so yeah, maybe. Also, if I do keep it and there's things I don't really like, well, I can just stick them back in one of the many little boxes they came in, put some wrapping paper on them, and give them as a gift, you know, to somebody who I think might enjoy it. So let me know what you guys think though. Do you think this is worth the $80, or do you just prefer to go into Home Goods with 80 bucks and like see what you can get? For some people who don't have a store like that close to them or accessible to them, maybe this could be like a fun thing for you to get if you're not really able to get out and shop for home stuff very often. So yeah, just let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna take some more medicine. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!